And today we have some really, really exciting, fun stuff in store for you. Of course, starting with the introduction of my amazing partners in crime, which I'm pretty sure all of you would love to see, these two hot hunks together. And I've had the most amazing time shooting with them. We've gone across many different locations and put this film together, and it's been a lot of hard work and fun and adventure, but we're really, really proud to present it to you today. And so first things first, shall we bring on stage the two hotties, my partners in crime, Junaid and Kabir.
What's up, what's up?
What's up, Kabir?
How are you doing?
I'm Ishika,
First,
in case
Kabir.
you forgot.
how do you feel? Because we discussed this so much while shooting this film that we're putting in so many days, and you said, "Mehnat ka phal hamesha meetha hota hai." What do you feel?
I think we leave that to the audience to see the trailer, but the experience was absolutely fantastic, and there's someone who's really responsible for this amazing experience.
Yes.
Someone who's probably his brother, but my brother too. So I'm going to call him on stage.
My brother too.
Okay, your brother. And he's not only a brother, but a dear friend. Rohit, come on. Rohit, the director of the film.
Thank you so much, guys, for being here and just seeing the first glimpse of our labor of love today. And I'd like to just start off with a little backstory of how this journey of Dishum began. And it started off when my friend and writer Tushar Hiranandani came to me with a very exciting idea. And then we obviously sat on it for months, developed it, gave shape to it, and it turned out to be what you're looking at right now, which is called Dishum. And then I'd even like to take this opportunity to thank all my HODs. I had the most fantastic team in the Hindi film industry, starting with my DOP, Bose. He's one of the finest cinematographers in the country
Yes.
today, who's done a fantastic job.
Sorry, we have
in the
to
film.
applause him for that. He's
My
so
production designer, Sukant Panigre, my costume designer, Subarna, my sound designer, Belon, and my executive producer, Manoj Mitra, who made it just seem like we have the easiest
And the
shoot
award
even
goes
in
to-
tough countries like, yeah, I'm sorry I'm making this sound like I'm winning an Oscar right now for Dishum, but this is just one platform that I want to use to thank the entire team that has made this happen. And my AD team, love you guys, all of you all out there. And most importantly, above all, the man who just made this all possible, let me dream big, let me discover my own wings and fly out there. My dream producer, Mr. Blockbuster himself, Sajid Nadiadwala.
Hi, thank you for those sweet words. Filmmaking is always a great experience, but with Dishum it came with added responsibility. Having sons of your best friend, Varun and Rohit, Lalima is there and Janvi is there. It's a great responsibility to work with family, because if you go wrong, then you have problems at the dinner table. But great experience, and I hope you'll like the trailer. And I just want to invite one more person who's added into our family, Nadiadwala, and he is nobody but Waga, Mr. Akshay Khanna.
Ladies and gentlemen, media, persons of the media, thank you all for being here. It's wonderful to be back after so long, to be associated with this fabulous team. We've all gathered here to see the first promo of Dishum, so let's not delay it, Sajid bhai.
Yeah. Let's start the
Let's
promo
start.
and then we'll be back.
All right.
Are you
Here we
excited,
go.
Rohit? Is Rohit excited?
We're all very excited.
The entire team, please, to first come and join me on stage as well, please. Sajid sir, Rohit, Akshay.
Sorry, I'm removing.
Your heels?
No.
No, okay.
Guys, I just have a small request. While the trailer was playing, everyone who was shooting it on their phone, it's extremely disheartening because there's a lot of effort and love that has been put into this. So please don't post that. If you have it on your phone, don't tweet it, don't Instagram it, because the trailer will officially be out on YouTube in a few
We'll give
hours.
you the link. Please tweet the link or post the link and send it to your friends. That'll be
We want them to see it on
lot of help.
YouTube.
Yeah, because we've got John, and John hates piracy, and you'll have to answer to him otherwise.
Yeah, see the muscles.
Please ask esteemed partner Nandu from Eros also to join.
Yes.
Come.
So we're opening the floor now to any questions.
Someone will raise their hands, and we can send a mic across
Yes.
to you guys over there. Okay. Alok ji.
हाय जॉन वरुण बेहतरीन ट्रेलर मज़ा आया कॉन्सेप्ट भी काफ़ी यूनिक सा लगा शूटिंग के दौरान कई खबरें आई थी लाइक कि कभी आपको इंजरी हो रही है कभी जॉन सर को इंजरी तो वो दौर क्या था और उस दौर के बाद जब ये ट्रेलर आप देखते हैं तो हाउ यू बोथ फील
वो जो दौर था दौड़ने के वक्त हुआ था जो मेरे भाई है एक शॉट था जो गाड़ी के ऊपर जंप करना था मुझे और इट वाज अराउंड आई थिंक 38 to 40 degrees and we were not getting the perfect take and he's quite a perfectionist and we kept doing it again and again and I think while jumping over the car my finger got stuck between the bonnet of the car and the other दूसरा हिस्सा है and it was very hot as well and because of that pain I think I got a heat stroke and I don't think I fainted but he claims
fainted.
he claims that I
काइंड ऑफ बेहोश हो गए थे टेक्निकली मतलब कुछ 30 सेकंड के लिए बट जो कमाल की बात है कि वरुण इस पिक्चर में चॉपर से भी लटके एज यू सॉ बट तब उन्हें कुछ नहीं हुआ था लेकिन जंपिंग ओवर दिस कार
क्योंकि उस वक्त मेरे सामने जॉन थे तो मुझे लगा कि चॉपर को कुछ हो जाए तो ठीक है कुछ और हो जाए तो मैं जॉन को पकड़ लूंगा तो ठीक है तो बच जाऊंगा
जॉन सर अगर आप
I think we had a lot of fun, great action, or I think the action sequences are very large in the film. It's a huge scale film, really huge.
जैकलीन अगर आप किसी को ढिशुम कहना चाहें तो किसे कहेंगी और क्यों
Any actress you mean?
No, Lisa?
Who?
Lisa.
Lisa Hayden.
Dishum. But I just have to say, actually, those lions that you saw, they were actually in front of us, and they were very scary, and so were the camels. So, just because we're talking about scary things.
साई साहब एक तरफ हाउसफुल 1, 2, 3 आ रही है एक तरफ ढिशुम जैसी फिल्में भी आ रही हैं आपकी तरफ से तो अभी और क्या क्या प्लानिंग है क्योंकि ये 2016
बस हो गया
सर बोलिए ना
नहीं बस इस साल
No.
Dishum is last.
Come on.
This year Dishum is last.
Okay, it is last, but
आप डायरेक्ट करेंगे इस साल
make
कोई
something.
Not yet.
Next year.
Hi, I'm from the bus diary this side to your right. Here.
Hi, what's up? How's it going?
The trailer is mind blowing, really fresh, not seen here at all.
Thank you.
My question is to the entire cast. This seems like a film which is really close to your hearts. Can you tell us all about one special moment which you had in this film which really made you feel this should work?
I think we'll start with Sajid sir because I think why he greenlit this film.
We've been trying to work for about 3-4 years, and the first line when he told me that took me about 2 minutes, 2 minutes line, and it was green lighted then.
Yeah, it was that immediate actually. You know, it's Sajid Bhai's instincts which are so strong, and he's always so decisive that it just gives me a lot of confidence. And it was just his reaction to the basic story that pushed me to just get on board and start writing it, and it just gave me a lot of energy and drive.
I think John.
I think just all of us coming together is fantastic. With Sajid, it's my second film. And I think for me, at least, he's grown more as a friend. And I can confidently say I'm really close to him today. Rohit is like my little brother. So it's after Desi Boys, I'm coming back with him. Varun and I, jo aapko dikh raha tha screen, on the screen, we're the same off the screen. Our chemistry is absolutely fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. And Jackie, of course, I've worked with her before. I'm working with her again. She's a sweetheart. Akshay, I mean, I've been a huge fan of Akshay. So the fact that he's in this film means so much to me personally. I think he's a fantastic actor. And the team, Eros, Nandu here, we're a good team together. So it just feels very nice to be on this film. It's very special. And it comes from our heart. We're not forcing a line here. It all comes from the heart.
Yeah.
For me, honestly, it is super emotional. he is my brother and he is my hero in real life. And I even remember when Desi Boys had released, I went to every theater, tried to find out what the audience reaction, and it's different. It's different from my film releasing. It's different from my father's film releasing or a friend's film releasing. I can't really put it in words how it feels when your own blood like gives his life to make something special. And honestly, I feel there's one person needed who has to be very obsessive when he's making a film, who has to give it his all. He either goes in all or nothing, and that was Rohit. And I'm proud that his madness has made this film work, and that's what you see on screen. It's all him.
It is.
One question.
I've paid
I want
Varun to
ask
say all
Akshay.
that.
One question I want to ask Mr. Khanna. Why you make your fans wait so much to see you on the screen? A long gap.
I had
we
some.
really miss you.
Thank you. I had some personal issues which I had to sort out, so I couldn't work for a while. But I'm thrilled to be back with this film and a couple of more films this year. And you were talking about why everybody did the film. I think for me, besides for many other reasons, which a lot of them are standing here, but I think just the one line of the film is so fresh. As even just 36 hours before a India-Pakistan final, a major Indian cricket player gets kidnapped. I mean, just that simple one-liner is so interesting and so fresh. And the fact that I kidnap him makes it even nicer. So that's the reason I was so interested in the film in the first phase.
Thank you for coming back.
Hi everyone, I'm Sunil from Movie Talkies here.
Hi, Sunil.
Hi.
Movie talkies.
Yeah. My question is to John. John, you are a non-smoker in real life, and your character is like promoting smoking in this movie. So was it the character as this characteristics which is very important for the movie, was smoking?
Yeah, good question. So I asked Rohit the same thing. I said, I'm a non-smoker and I'm smoking in the film. He said the character is very important. He said character comes first and this is your character. You've got to play the character. So this is something that goes out to the audience. We're not encouraging smoking in this film, very clearly, but it's his character. He's a chain smoker, and there are a lot of scenes in the film that are very relevant to his smoking in the film, which is why, and I think there are fantastic scenes with the cigarette. Rohit, you want to stress on that?
Yeah, and he's even in the trailer, if you hear there's a female voice that tells him, "Mat piyo, it's killing you." So the film doesn't endorse smoking at all. There are constantly characters around him who are telling him to just stop the stick. But he's a nicotine addict. He's a cop. Thoda sa sanki hai picture mein, and this is where he gets his fix from.
John, also we have been watching you in action movies here only for a while. Like Force 2 would be the upcoming one, another. And the last release, Rocky Handsome, was an action movie. This one also the same. So can we see Garam Masala Sam anytime back?
I don't know. I think that we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. It's too early to say. And right now it's just I finished.
Comedy.
Yeah, maybe in the future. Yeah, sure. For a change.
Hi, Jacqueline. Hi. Priyanka, you're from India Films.
Hi.
Hi. You're looking stunning today.
Thank you.
Okay. So, we have seen the boys do a lot of action in the film. And, a few of your glimpses are as well seen in the film.
Yeah.
So, is there more to it on the action front from your side?
Well, actually, I was just happy to be part because there is so much action in the film concerning the boys. There's a full chase, there's a full adventure happening in the locations and stuff as well. And I was actually part of that. So I was part of that chase with them. So whatever they were going through, whatever they were running from and trying to achieve, I was part of that. And yeah, it was a crazy adventure.
It was crazy.
It was. I mean, like I said, we got to witness those animals in real life. We got to, that entire bike that you see, that entire sequence was off a cliff, So I'm not saying I'm like beating and bashing up anyone, but just to be part of that to me also was a huge high octane action, So to be part of that was amazing.
So, did you enjoy yourself in that process?
Yeah, it was crazy. I mean, like very,
She
very.
got a swollen knee doing Zumba. That's true.
I used to make them, when we were shooting in Morocco, I used to make them, including John, do Zumba after shoot. So I did get a swollen knee, actually. It wasn't from the action, sadly, but it was from Zumba. Thank you, Varun, for sharing that with everyone.
Sajid ji, on your left. Yeah.
Where is he?
सब लोग point करो उसको किधर है उठाओ
तो साजिद जी ऐसे में तो क्या आप मोदी जी को भी आप ये फिल्म दिखाएंगे क्योंकि
किसको
मोदी जी को
तू फोन कर
प्रोडक्शन वालों का काम है ये आपके फिल्म का।
आपको डायलॉग अच्छी लगी?
जी बिल्कुल, बहुत ही अच्छे लगे।
हाँ, ये डायलॉग्स हुसैन दलाल ने लिखे हैं और वो इस वक्त हमारे साथ है नहीं, बीच में ही है, एंड या ही स्टिल अलाइव, सॉरी, हमारे बीच नहीं है, एंड ही इज रिटन ऑल द लाइंस इन द फिल्म।
साजिद जी, आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? ओके वरुण, वो
हाँ भाई तू बोल, हमारा रिश्ता बहुत पुराना है, बोल तू।
वो कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस अंडरवियर में शूट करने का? अगर
बहुत अच्छा है।
वो मेरे साथ था तो अच्छा ही लगेगा ना।
बहुत अच्छा है। रोज़ जब मैं उठता हूँ अंडरवेयर में उठता हूँ, रोज़ जब मैं सोता हूँ अंडरवेयर में सोता हूँ। उसके बीच में जो होता है वो मैं बता नहीं सकता हूँ इधर।
नहीं, यहाँ सेट पे इतने सारे
सेट
लोगों
पे
के
बहुत
बीच-
नहीं, मस्त था यार, एकदम मस्त था। अच्छा हवा चल रहा था, जॉन भाई थे, तो मतलब एक अच्छा इंस्पिरेशन मिलती है।
एक दूसरे को देख रहे थे हम लोग।
हाँ, खुश थे।
ओके जॉन, हाल ही में हाउसफुल 3 के ट्रेलर लॉन्च पे अक्षय कुमार ने कहा कि आपको सांड बताया, उन्होंने कहा कि वो इस फिल्म में नहीं है, तो क्या आप भी उन्हें कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
नहीं, मैं कुछ नहीं कहना चाहता हूँ, वो तो बॉस है।
ओके, अक्षय खन्ना जी कैसे हैं आप? यहाँ
भाई संभाल के पूछा, अभी संभाल के पूछ।
जी बिल्कुल, इतने दिनों की छुट्टियों पर गए थे आप या कुछ बताना चाहेंगे आप? क्योंकि अमूमन देखा जाता है कि लोग छुट्टियों पर कहीं बीच पे जाते हैं या कहीं कुछ भी जाते हैं।
No, I was not on holiday. I had some serious personal issues which I had to take care of, and nothing other than that.
Hi, this is Faridoon from Bolorangama, this side.
Hi, Faridun.
Hi. First of all, Mr. Khanna, incredible to have you back. You are amazing talent. The questions have already been asked to you about your absence here, this side. This side? On your right.
On the right.
On your right. So the questions have already been asked that I had in my mind. So welcome back once again, and we hope to see you much more in the films in the near future. To Varun Dhawan, I'd like to say fantastic promo. Actually, I think it's looking very, very entertaining.
Thank you, Faridun.
And you know, when the poster came out with the dog of and you and John Abraham, you know, I was going through a few mentions on Twitter, and some people were saying that these guys, they're having swag actually. And when we saw the promo today, we see the swag written all over the promo, and when the entire swimming trunks come into the picture, so the swag factor just hits the roof somehow. So could you just elaborate more on the swag factor that your fans are looking forward to?
I would honestly shown you, but I don't want to offend anyone over here. But I think the swag factor, I think it's just about the attitude that Rohit kind of told us to keep. Junaid and Kabir are two very distinct characters, and their characteristics are very distinct. He's quite hardcore, he is a loose cannon, and Junaid's a rookie cop. He wants to learn, he's very eager to learn, he wants to be part of the... So while I'm trying to be like hardcore and stuff, andar se I'm having a lot of insecurities and reservations, but I want to look cool. So that's why I have the bulldog and stuff. But yeah, honestly, I think the swag, where does it come from, bhaiya?
I think it comes from Rohit himself.
I don't
He's
know, it
very
probably
swag.
just comes from me, I guess.
Yeah, he's
They
naturally
both are just
swag.
copying me, Varun and
Naturally
John.
swag.
Why don't you show us how
No,
John
it's
walks
just
and how I
like
walk?
a-
No, show us. Why don't you
just
show
like
us?
a-
Just show us. Why don't you show us? No, just show. He should know that this is not
Don't show
home
me.
where I'm the younger brother. This is my house. I've done this very often. I know all these people. So I think, why don't you show us? You can't bully me over here.
No. So it's a huge team that comes together to make them look so good.
वरुण
और ये आवाज
यस
पांडे जी
पांडे जी
कितनों को आपने क्या क्या करा है आप हो ना इधर हाँ
जी मैं यही हूँ ओके वरुण ये डिशुम
सर
इसका
पहले तो मैं बोलूँ ये आपकी आवाज सब लोग हिल गए
Does
इधर
that have an echo in
No,
it?
that's
His
his-
mic?
पांडे जी आप प्लीज खड़े हो जाइए
जी जी बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
That's Mr. पांडे
Yes, hello, Mr. Pandey.
थैंक यू ये डिशुम मतलब क्या है इस पूरी फिक्शन में कुछ कनेक्शन है
सर बहुत कनेक्शन है
क्या?
डिशुम आई थिंक पुराने फिल्म्स आई थिंक मोर देन मी आई डोंट थिंक आई शुड आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन आई थिंक लेट हिम ओनली व्हाई डिड वी कॉल इट डिशुम
डिशुम जो वर्ड है, आई थिंक एटलीस्ट हमारे देश में, इंडिया में, बिफोर यू से मम्मी पापा अब्बू अम्मी, बच्चा डिशुम बोलता है. मतलब बच्चा या कहीं भी हो, you know, of any age, any strata of society, it's the first word that usually a child utters while he's playing with his toys and just beating them up himself. So I just feel it, ये action genre जो होता है, there's no better word to describe it in our country. You know, dishum just means punch, and whether it's a line, a punch line, or it's someone hitting each other, or it's a chopper, or a bike, or a speedboat, जिस बात में वो थोड़ी punch हो, it's just, that means dishum for me.
तो आपने अपनी जिंदगी में किसको सबसे ज्यादा डिशुम बोला है
बोला नहीं, मतलब साउंड सुना, हाँ, वरुण को मारते वक्त.
A
वरुण?
lot.
बहुत खाया उसने बचपन से.
वरुण वरुण
You were,
You wanted to see more of his butt.
Yeah, John, why? Why did
Why
you
did you
restrict
restrict it, John?
Yeah.
every time
Why?
I pulled it down, Varun pulled it back up.
ऐसे नहीं मेरे बच्चों के टीजी है ऊपर कर लो.
हाय वरुण जॉन या
So okay.
See, the cricketer in the film, he's India's top batsman, just like Virat Kohli. He's athletic looking, extremely attractive, just like Virat Kohli. उसकी हारती हुई मैचेस जिताने की आदत है, just like Virat Kohli. But his name is Virat Sharma, and he's not Virat Kohli.
No, I think except the name, I love the name, and I played Kabir in Dhoom.
And he's not a Roy agent.
And I'm not a Roy agent in this, so it's a different template, it's a different format, it's an action adventure film. It's very different, and I love this space. I really love this space. I don't think anybody has any boundaries today, on social media today. So, very honestly, I think there's nothing like honesty on the net in any case. So, all you guys have become so brave on the net because no one has a face today. So, it's fantastic, yeah, to actually combat faceless people most of the time. So, congratulations to all of you on social media.
Really? Stop it.
Auntie, I see you and faint all the time. आपको तो पता है हमारा last time I answered your question, you called me something, so I said this time I'm not going to tell you
What'd she
anything.
call you?
I
Tell
can't
me,
say it over.
please.
I can't say it over. We have a
Fitness mantra? Turning sexy mantra. I mean, you know.
What do you do? Any oils, any milk, any मतलब No, even I think, what do you do?
Come on.
No, how do I know?
follow your mantra. I mean, like, I just think that if you work out and you know, diet and see, honestly speaking, a lot of people thinks it comes very easy, but we all can tell you it doesn't. It's a lot of hard work. It's a lot of discipline when you need to work out and make a body. And these guys, I mean, I know when we were shooting in Abu Dhabi and you guys were doing your chaddi shot, it was like you guys worked for worked out for at least 40 days straight. They weren't, eating any carbs. So it's very difficult. And I think more than anything, you've just got to be happy as well. You've got to be happy.
I've always been scared of the media, so nothing new.
जॉन वरुण हियर
हाँ जी सर.
या टुवर्ड्स योर लेफ्ट.
What's up? How's it going?
जानना चाहूंगा कि इसमें इंडिया पाकिस्तान मैच की बात हो रही है तो इसमें पाकिस्तान कितना है और क्या लगता है कि अगर वो नेगेटिव रेफरेंस है पाकिस्तान का तो पाकिस्तान
I would like to clear this. बिल्कुल नेगेटिव रेफरेंस नहीं है पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ या किसी भी कम्युनिटी के खिलाफ. It's a very positive representation. And in fact, what we are trying to show that for certain people, sometimes money is the religion. It's not being an Indian or being a Pakistani or being a Hindu or being a Muslim or a Christian or whatever. Money is sometimes the biggest motive behind things. And जो आम जनता होती है, they get fooled into thinking that, oh, this is the reason. But I think in today's day and age, at least in the capitalist world that we live in, money is the biggest driving force for most crimes, I feel.
एक सवाल और है कि जो क्रिकेटर किडनैप होता है उसका नाम विराट शर्मा है जो मिलता जुलता विराट कोहली से है.
हाँ जी.
तो क्या कुछ विराट कोहली से इस बारे में बात हुई या कुछ बताएंगे?
I mean, when I met Virat because we both support the same team in football, so I've told him about it. He knows that we are making something on these lines, and he's quite cool about it.
Yeah, but he's not Virat Kohli. I'm just
not.
reiterating that at all.
It's just that the script was conceived how much time
It's
back?
a completely fictional script.
Because it was written long back, no?
Yeah, written years ago. So he's a top cricketer in your country right now. So you can let your imagination fly and think whoever you want him to be.
Okay, रोहित मेरा सवाल आपसे है. रोहित मेरा सवाल आपसे है,
आप होगा? हाँ.
It's okay, आपको मेरी आवाज़ सुनाई दे रही है. Hi रोहित, hi विनोद. रोहित मेरा सवाल आपसे, देसी बॉयज में आप जॉन क्वालिटी डायरेक्ट कर चुके और यहाँ पे अक्षय सर जैसे दिग्गज, वरुण धवन जैसे दिग्गज, जैकलीन, पहला दिन शूट का जब आप उनके साथ आपने काम किया, चाहे मैं अक्षय सर की बात करूं, या मैं वरुण की बात करूं, कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा और क्या जब आप कोई सीन एक्सप्लेन करते थे, कई बार होता है कि एक्टर आपकी बात से इत्तेफाक नहीं रखता है, कुछ चेंजेस चाहता है कि ये इंप्रूवमेंट हो सकते हैं, तो कैसा दिन रहा स्पेशली अक्षय जी के साथ एंड वरुण के साथ? डू यू गॉट इमोशनल व्हाइल सेइंग एक्शन टू वरुण धवन?
नहीं, इमोशन सब घर पे ही होता है. नॉट वाइल शूटिंग. वी वर एक्सट्रीमली प्रोफेशनल विद ईच अदर इन द कैपेसिटी ऑफ एन एक्टर एंड डायरेक्टर. और कुछ कभी सेट पे कभी इश्यूज नहीं हुई थी बिकॉज वी हैड स्पेंट अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम स्क्रिप्ट के साथ. हमने रीडिंग्स की थी तो सबको अपना किरदार बहुत क्लियरली पता था. सो ऑल दैट वाज जस्ट बिहाइंड क्लोज डोर्स. सो उसकी कुछ रीजनिंग भी नहीं होती थी सेट पे. इट वाज वी टू जस्ट कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन गेटिंग द डेज वर्क, क्योंकि एज यू कैन सी इट वाज़न्ट एन ईजी फिल्म टू मेक फॉर मी एंड माई टीम. तो स्क्रिप्ट की बातें, परफॉर्मेंस की बातें सब हो गई थी पहले. And they both, as you asked me, they both have been extremely fantastic to work with. Varun is an extremely hard-working, hungry actor, who wants to give his best to every single shot. And in my limited experience of just 2 films, I feel it's been an absolute pleasure and joy to direct an actor like Akshay Khanna. And I don't think there's anyone else who has such great understanding of material,
Honestly, I think मेरे साथ कुछ ज़्यादा ही professional थे, and I can vouch for this. You can ask the other actors. You can ask John for sure. Wouldn't he shout at me the most on set? And John would take up for me
I would
always.
always hear Varun go, Bhaiya, one more shot, na Bhaiya, please, one more shot. I would always, and Rohit's like, no, and then he'll be like, okay, fine, come,
John.
one more. She's answered. Right? Bhaiya, one more shot.
Jacqueline, you're a phenomenal dancer, and we see some glimpses of your dancing as well in the promo. So could you tell us something about the music and your dance sequences? And
We have a really, really special track coming up in the next year, very soon, which we're all very excited about, and we worked extremely hard on this. We took a lot of time to actually shoot it as well. And it's a situational song, but you guys heard glimpses of it throughout the trailer, and we're really, really excited to release it very soon.
And what's really cool, I think, for Preetham fans or for like fans of music, if you loved Subha Hone Na De, I think Rohit and Preetham are teaming up after that. So
yes,
expect
it's a
something
special
big.
one. It's a special one.
साजिद,
Varun,
हेलो,
this is-
हाय हाय. हाँ, साजिद, DN नगर पुलिस स्टेशन में एक
भाई, रुक जा. पहले तू अपना नाम बोल. उठ जा. डरा हूँ.
संजय मिश्रा.
The actor?
Where are you?
मिश्रा जी, क्या कर रहे हो आप?
संजय मिश्रा BBC से एक हाँ जी, DN नगर पुलिस स्टेशन में एक अभी मामला दर्ज हुआ है. फारूक ने करवाया है वो स्क्रिप्ट.
फारूक तो मेरा ड्राइवर है.
अब पता नहीं ये
अच्छा, क्या
आपके और अक्षय के खिलाफ स्क्रिप्ट का कुछ मामला है.
डिशुम की?
नहीं, कॉपीराइट इशू.
अच्छा, नहीं, अभी तक आया नहीं कुछ.
Varun and John, here.
Straight.
Here.
Yeah.
Okay.
After
So-
I'm you.
Right.
I'll then you.
So my question is, the trailer reminds us of Dhoom in a way. Dhoom has matured a lot. So is there a plan to make Drishyam into a franchise? Both of you.
It's nothing like Dhoom, but because John was in the first Dhoom, the original Dhoom, I think he should answer why it's different.
Yeah, I think when I heard the script of Dishum, this is the first thing I told Sajid and I told Rohit was that Dishum will go up to Dishum 8. You'll have a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 because this is a very young action adventure franchise and Kabir and Junaid will find new problems, new issues and move to different places and it's going to be fun. It's a great franchise. It's a great franchisable film.
Nandu from Eros, my question to you.
She
you're
wants
this
her number,
side.
Nandu.
No, I don't want his number.
Oh, she's back.
Nandu, it's a.
Yeah,
this
Nandu.
is your second film with Sajid. How is the
It's not the second.
Yeah.
We've
Okay.
released a lot of films with Mr. Sajid Nadeerwala.
How has the association been with Sajid?
Excellent.
Just
It's a pleasure.
one, right?
It's a pleasure.
Would you like to elaborate?
It's a pleasure. Wait.
That's
all I can say.
elaborating.
Yeah, say,
No,
please.
John,
One second, ma'am. Let him please ask his question. Then you go on. Promise. Preparation. I've never held a gun actually in any film. So first I had to learn that. So there was some kind of training for that. Secondly, he's very earnest, very honest. He really, really wants to be a good police officer. I think the more important preparation was that I'm playing a Emirati cop, a cop based in UAE, in Abu Dhabi. So I had to kind of learn a little Arabic. And it's there. There's a portion in the film, perfect the language, perfect the way how cops speak over there. It's quite different from the cops in Mumbai. So to go and observe, luckily we did have, the police did help us a lot over there. So I got to spend some time with them as well of how they go about their day to day, how they keep people in check. So that, and where the comedy is concerned, I think that's in the lines, the way Hussain has written it, how the screenplay, how Tushar has written it. And I think Rohit's really good with comedy. So those things came about. I mean, it's in the line ki tu munna bhai hoga lekin main circuit nahi hu. All that is all there.
Okay, मेरा सवाल जैकलिन से. जैकलिन मेरा सवाल आपसे है. If you can hear me.
Where are you?
जैकलिन, yeah. हर दूसरे तीसरे दिन हमारी मुलाकात आपसे हो रही है. हाउसफुल के प्रमोशन में हैं आप, डिशुम का हिस्सा हैं आप, यहाँ मौजूद हैं. आप शूट कब करते हो? We have seen you. We have been, we have every second day, we are here for some promotion. For some time for Houseful 3. Now you're here for Dishum. After 2.
देखो मैं कितना मेहनत करती हूँ कि प्रमोशंस कर सकती हूँ, शूटिंग कर सकती हूँ. हाँ आप लिखते कभी?
और अपने लिए
आप
काम
हमेशा हाँ
अपने लिए काम करती हूँ.
हाँ वो नहीं है.
Ma'am, you please.
John.
रोहित मेरा सवाल आपसे है. We have also seen Nargis in the promo.
One sec.
Sir, इनको एक मिनट.
Hello.
इनको पूछना है फिर आप पूछ लो, promise.
John.
No, she wants to ask.
John, for a change, आप shoes में नजर आ रहे हैं. तो ये change कैसे आ गया?
क्योंकि I borrowed these shoes. I only have chappals. And
After marriage change आ गया?
नहीं मेरे पास चप्पल्स ही है और मेरे पास I just got enough clothes to fit into one suitcase. उससे ज़्यादा मुझे चाहिए भी नहीं. बस काफ़ी है यार.
Okay, रोहित मेरा सवाल आपसे है. Promo में you also seen Nargis in the promo. तो नरगिस का कितना बड़ा किरदार होगा फिल्म के अंदर? उनकी मौजूदगी भी नहीं है, उसके बारे में कुछ बताना चाहेंगे?
It's a special cameo in the film. It's a special cameo and she actually plays a very interesting and fun character who both the cops interrogate regarding the case, Kabir or Junaid.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
No, he isn't. And that's also, just leave that for July 29. Some things hidden are the best.
Okay, guys.
Thank you.
Okay, guys.
Thank you so
Who's
much.
hijacked? Stand. Say. एक मिनट, एक बेचारी को बोलना है, कुछ बोलो.
That's.
Hi जानकी, कैसी हो तुम? What's up? हाँ? अच्छा इतना मैंने ये किया, सीधा जैकलीन से question.
Janki's preferences are very different.
Janvi, naughty girl.
Varun's very sad
Janki
right
is
now.
female dostana.
You know that will be headlines. हाँ, please talk. करती हूँ.
What do you want to do more? That you love money. Say that.
Shut up. No, actually, I've done both, and I started my career also doing a lot of multi-star films, and they are a lot of fun to do. I have to say, now I'm promoting also Houseful 3 and Dishum together. I've worked on both these films last year. There's so much you learn from multi-stars, and they're great fun. And even when you're doing a solo, heroine film as well, sometimes you miss like female co-stars and female energies on set. But then, of course, you become one of the guys, and you learn a lot from them. And it's you don't get any more attention because guys tend to bond a lot more on set. But I think to answer your question, because I just went on speaking.
Just say I love money.
Shut up. Yes.
लड़कों के लिए older, लड़कियों के लिए younger. हाँ.
Fortunately, I won't be here. I'm going to be shooting abroad, by the way. I'm going to be shooting. I'm leaving on Friday. But yeah, I'm sure she's going to have a nice big party.
That's the last question, guys.
Yes.
Hi, how are you?
We don't fool around.
We don't fool around during work.
Not.
We
Rohit, you
mean
can't fool
business.
around.
Yeah.
We mean business. We are
Yeah.
some hardcore cops, and we mean business, and we interrogate people really, really.
But
properly.
Coco was really fun, the monkey. We made good friends with Coco.
That's it.
Yeah.
थोड़ा नीचे कैमरा नीचे सोएगा क्या सामने सब होता है स्ट्रेट यस स्ट्रेट सामने
Hello. Okay guys, if you all actually wait for a few more minutes, Pritam Da comes, I promise you, he'll perform live for you all. जो कॉन्सर्ट होते हैं उनके लिए वो लाइव परफॉर्मेंस करेंगे जब वो आएंगे. बट कब आ रहे हैं किसी को आइडिया? Sorry? I'll 100% dance. No, once Dada comes.
वरुण साजिद बहुत ही रिफ्रेशिंग गाना है. मतलब मुझे लग रहा है हर कोई हम करते हुए निकल रहा है ये गाना सुनते ही. What was your first reaction when you heard the song? क्योंकि जब परफॉर्म करना होता है तो फिर गाना भी वैसा ही चाहिए.
You know, honestly, he got this electronic sound which is very current today in hip hop music all over the world. So that all started coming in and the song just went to another level. I think when they made Sajid sir hear it, he has one of the best ears you have in the industry today, and he has this reputation of having, no honestly, he has a reputation of always having hit songs, you know, whether it's been with Dad or whether it's been with Sabir or
we are good,
or
can't sing.
So I think the team of Rohit, Sajid sir and Pritam sir all together has come up with this.
How was it dancing with Jacqueline and John?
Oh, superb. Jackie is a fireball.
John didn't dance.
Yeah. John did the peck dance. Dance with the chest and his bicep. He picks her up. But I got to dance with Jackie and she's a tremendous dancer. I think she's immensely flexible, immensely professional, and I think the most important thing, she's very happy. उसको कुछ भी करा लो बहुत खुश है वो.
I think when the movie Dilwale was released, at that time you had continuously spoken about the piracy and the issue related to piracy. And yesterday, this movie Uta Punjab got leaked out, and the interesting thing was that it had a watermark which said for censor. What are your thoughts about it?
Honestly, I don't know.
And a son of a producer.
Just director, but I don't know about the whole issue. But all I can say that I think as an industry we are all against piracy.
I mean, there's a FIR filed, and it's a very shameless act, and it should not be taken as it's come from the censor. They have to find out.
And as a producer, how would you feel when such things happen? You know,
It's a criminal offence. We've always, from the last 15 years, said that we should take out this word piracy and put it as a criminal theft. It's a theft. It's not piracy. Piracy makes it sound very cool. It's pirated. It's not pirated. It's theft. It's like it's a proper thief enters in, and it's too dangerous. Already the film, but I feel this film has got a great scope, and now it will do wonders now.
Sajid, so you know what to say about the sick body objecting to the use of kirpa? Yeah, going on.
I heard it. I don't know. There's nothing come to me. I read it somewhere.
You know,
we shot it in Morocco.
Yeah.
There's no question
There's
of.
no, it's not a kirpan. It's an Arabic sword which has been used, and we've actually must be having it even in our peti or something, so we can show it. And I'm a Punjabi myself, and so is my brother. So we would never do something like that. And I hope if someone is mistaken, it's a misunderstanding, I can say.
Now these controversies keep happening. Do you really feel like it's really publicity that are being garnered?
No. We have a team of lawyers now. It's become a habit for the last 1 month. There are stories about like for Houseful, we had 6 people filing a case that it's their stories, and there is critics saying that there is no story in the film. so this is how it happens. So we've got a team of lawyers now for these controversies.
तो जानने को कहने में हर्ष क्या है? So मतलब in real life if we ask you this thing, तो मतलब कितनी बार लोगों ने कहा है?
नहीं किसी के लिए नहीं कहा, पर मैं डिशुम के लिए कहा होगा. ये पिक्चर के लिए मैं डेफिनेटली जान दे सकता हूँ, एंड बिकॉज आई रियली बिलीव इन इट. एंड जैसे कि इन्होंने पायरेसी का इशू का, सो इन द फिल्म वी डू प्ले कॉप्स, मी एंड जॉन. सो वी आर अगेंस्ट दिस इन लाइफ ऑल्सो, एंड इन द फिल्म ऑल्सो वी आर देयर टू सॉल्व क्राइम, वी आर देयर टू स्टैंड अप फॉर द गुड. So we are playing these good characters that stand up for good things, and I think for any good cause, I would want to stand up and put my life in line for any good cause, we try to support. Do it.
No, I read it till now.
They're all over the place in the last few weeks.
No, it's weeks?
Yeah,
No, I read it day for
Two
yesterday.
days at least.
Yeah, 2 days.
So in the movie we see that Virat Kohli's character is being
Virat Sharma.
Yeah, so does real life Virat Kohli know about it? What you guys have?
He knows about it. He knows about it. No, he's totally cool with it. So I know Virat. I'm calling him Virat. I know Virat because we are on a team together, the Goa FC in the ISL. So I think when the film was being made, also he knew about it, and I sent him the trailer. He saw it and stuff, and he said, as long as I'm shown as a good guy, it's cool. And he asked me if he's hitting any people. I said no, that no, but he's totally cool with it.
Desi Boy had a great music, and after Desi Boy, even this film marks the return of Rohit Dhawan and Pritam. So what kind of album can we expect from this film, and how many songs are there?
No, he's got that DNA from his family. Dad, when he made a first film for me, Judwa, it was great music. Then he made Mujhse Shaadi Karogi, great music. He made Desi Boys, and same track is repeating. If you hear the other two tracks, you'll be amazed. We've got a great album.
How many songs are there?
There's about 3 to 4.
हर बार देखते हैं इस तरीके से गाना.
Yes, why not?
Varun, when it comes to film promotions, आप हमेशा like हर event पे जाते हो, always a big part of the promotions. But John, अभी हमें इसके आगे promotions में देखने मिलेंगे और इसी
डेफिनेटली देखने मिलेंगे. इट्स अ बिट अर्ली क्योंकि फिल्म जुलाई 29 को रिलीज हो रही है एंड वी आर स्टिल इन जून एंड जॉन इज शूटिंग फॉर फोर्स. ही इज कमिंग बैक ऑन द 21st एंड देन ऑनवर्ड्स एंड सो इज जैकलीन कमिंग बैक ऑन द 23rd. बट ये गाना हमें लॉन्च करना था एंड आई रियली बिलीव इन दिस ट्रैक इवन फॉर द ऑडियो एंड द विजुअल in general. So I think Sajid sir said that we should do something. So we decided to do it with you guys. You know, we've shown you the song before the public or the Aam Janta can see it, so that you all get a taste of it and get an idea of it.
But it's quite an action-packed sequence. Like the entire movie is quite packed with action. So any particular person or actor that you get inspired from?
Get inspired from who does really good action. I think we have so many action heroes here. Today, we have so many homegrown action heroes. I think Tiger is outstanding what he's done in Baghi. There's a sequence that Tom Cruise did in Mission Impossible where he hung off the plane for 6 minutes. So that was tremendous. So I can seek inspiration from that. And then there are so many over here like Hrithik Roshan, Salman Bhai, Akshay Kumar is amazing. So yeah, I get inspired by homegrown talent as well.
Varun, you have spoken about Hollywood. You dub for Captain America. You spoke about Hollywood films doing good business.
Yeah.
And even Dishum is, if I'm not wrong, Dishum is releasing with Born Legacy.
Yeah.
So do you see that as a threat or competition? Or what do you have to say about that?
See, honestly, I can say is that I come from a family that loves cinema, and if you made a good film, it'll work. I feel. I mean, just see Sairat today, what it's done, and just on the basis of being a great film, I saw it that day and I was blown away. And I think if you make a good film, then it'll work. Nothing else matters.
वरुण, अभी आपने कहा कि गुड कॉज के लिए खड़े होना चाहिए. कोई एक गुड कॉज कंट्री के लिए जिसमें आप पर्सनली बिलीव करते हो और खड़े हो, अगर आपको मौका मिले तो क्या होगा?
I think equality among any gender inequality is wrong. I think, and I think we are going through that revolution in our society where women are concerned today. Women are becoming more powerful. They are becoming a more important part of society today. So I'll definitely stand for that.
Varun, you're quite a versatile actor.
I hope so. I don't know. Some people tell me I'm not. Some people वो बदलता रहता है हर हफ्ते.
What is your personal choice, like action or comedy or romance?
My personal choice is good films. I think I just want to do good cinema, good films that entertain people. It's as simple as that. People can say that अरे ये मासी है, ये मसाला है, ये वो, but when films work, they work for a reason. Like Sajid sir said also. There's no people make the films work.
Varun, apart from films, also you like there are people that you have been replaced as one of the biggest snack brands. You have been replaced by Ranbir Kapoor.
I would not like to comment.
Varun, you also have Dream Tour coming up with Siddharth and Alia. How excited are you?
Very excited about that. I think because like you asked also that what can we expect from the album. So I'm expecting that I get 2-3 more songs to perform from Dishum over there.
Somebody said the poster looks quite similar to Due Date. Is that Due Date, the Hollywood poster?
Okay.
Which one? Dream one or this one?
No. I don't think so. I don't think either of us look like Robert Downey Jr. So, or I hope I don't look like that. No, I think it's just the walk. If you're walking, but there's no similarity for sure.
Sajid sir, when can we expect you to announce the state of release of 2017? Because
Slate?
There have been reports on many films.
Because
There have been reports that you are producing Shanam remake, you are producing.
Yeah, lots. Not ready yet with the slate. Let's finish this year's slate here.
साजिद, ये आपसे पूछने बनता है कि when the CBFC controversy चल रही है आजकल, I spoke to many top directors, and they say that.
You didn't speak to me. Even I'm top. Okay.
No, directors.
Directors, yes. I'm the third director. What you saying? The only debut to touch 200. 200 crores. Very bad.
Okay, another big story.
हाँ, sir.
So what they have to say is that we don't want to curb our creativity just because of censorship, whatever they are doing. We want to make the kind of films we have been making. But the thing is, we also think about our producers, our actors के बारे में सोचना पड़ता है.
Yeah, nobody thinks
like
about
Hansal Mehta and all this people say.
No creative director thinks about the producer. They think about the film. When I was a director, I didn't think about the producer. So they think about the film, and that is why they get hurt when something is cut, which is justified.
But you will always stand by them.
Of course you have to. I mean, when you sign them, you have to.
Sir, actually, I wanted to ask कि सिख समुदाय के जो लोग हैं वो इस
कौन से? Sorry.
सिख समुदाय के लोग हैं वो इस सॉन्ग को लेकर विरोध कर रहे हैं, वो चाहते हैं कि इस गाने को निकाल दिया जाए.
Once they see the song, they didn't see. They saw the clipping, and they thought it's a kirpan. But now, how do we explain that it's shot in Morocco between the?
तो आगे अगर मतलब प्रोटेस्ट करें.
अभी नहीं करेंगे. I don't think so. They have not seen the song, so that's why they must give.
Yeah, they'll see the song and everything. Okay. So, thank you guys. I just देखा तो है.
सर लेफ्ट में सर लेफ्ट सर लेफ्ट सामने सर दादा आपके राइट में दादा थोड़ा सा ऐसा आपके राइट में दादा थोड़ा ऐसा कर लो दादा विजुअल दादा आपके राइट में दादा लेफ्ट में दादा सामने एकदम दादा लेफ्ट में सर फोटो भी लेफ्ट सर लेफ्ट दादा दादा सामने राइट से सर राइट से एकदम सर लेफ्ट एवरीवन लेफ्ट सर सामने राइट लेफ्ट सर यहाँ पे सर एवरीवन वरुण लेफ्ट वरुण नीड योर हेल्प हाँ एवरीबॉडी फुल कोरस बोल देता हूँ 100 तरह के रोग ले लूँ इश्क का मर्ज क्या है तू कहे तो जान दे दूँ कहने में हर्ज क्या है ओके बहुत सिंपल ठीक है
Thank you guys.
कुछ खाने में उठ के नींद से उठ के आ गया
सबको बहुत पसंद आया है गाते वक्त जब सॉन्ग रिकॉर्ड कर रहा था तब चार पांच तरह के लोग सिंगर थे हाँ अच्छे से रिकॉर्ड
रखूँ कि रोहित के साथ काम करने में बहुत मज़ा आया मैं हमेशा ये बिलीव करता हूँ कि कोई भी फिल्म का म्यूज़िक इज़ अबाउट द कोलाबोरेशन विद द डायरेक्टर और रोहित के साथ मैं पहले देसी बॉयज़ किया हूँ उसमें भी काफ़ी देसी बॉयज़ टाइटल सॉन्ग सुबह होने ना दे आज भी क्लब एंथम है तो रोहित इज़ वेरी क्लोज टू मी एंड उसके साथ काम करने में बहुत मज़ा आया एंड आई ही इज़ अ वेरी म्यूजिकल गाय और ये गाना एक्चुअली मेरा बहुत दिन पहले से कंपोज किया हुआ था और द हुक पार्ट और रोहित जब ये सुना उसको बहुत अच्छा लगा और बोला कि मेरा सिचुएशन में परफेक्टली फिट होता है
First off, I have to just say that I really appreciate the fact that in these rains, all you guys have gathered over here, even the media. But I know you guys have been waiting for a long time. And before we start off with having all this fun and craziness, and I've got a big surprise here, I've got a very big rapper in the house as well tonight. So before we do that, there's been something in my mind, on my heart, and I think all of you all must be sensing it. Everyone's a little heavy because there have been attacks all over the world the last couple of days, whether it's been Istanbul, whether recently now Dhaka. So it doesn't feel right if you don't pay respect to the people who've lost their lives or to those families. So if you can just maintain silence, maybe for just a few seconds, just for them, just some silence and say a small prayer. Pray to any God you'll believe in, just for those lives that have been lost. So, Miri bhai! So guys, I'm here for my new film called Dishum. I hope you've heard of it. It's going to release on July 29th. I play this character called Junaid Ansari. Junaid Ansari पैदा हुआ था भेंडी बाजार के अगल में, लेकिन जवानी आई बुर्ज खलीफा के बगल में. कमाता हूँ मैं धर्म में, लेकिन खर्चता हूँ मैं रुपए में. खाता हूँ उनकी, लेकिन सुनता हूँ सिर्फ मोदी जी की. Very special film. My brother's directing the film. It's his second film after Desi Boys. And I love the track Saw Tarake. But today actually we are here for another track. The second track of Dishum called To Dishum. I don't know how many of y'all have watched the video, but it's out on YouTube now. Have any of y'all seen it? So who hasn't, please go see it. And we're going to do a live performance on To Dishum. First time ever anywhere in Mithibai. So before we start off with that, I just want to show you all the trailer of To Dishum, and before that, we'll start off with this is the trailer of the film. The trailer of the film Dishum. It's a little embarrassing because I think I've worn the same underwear. So I was just looking at that. I was just thinking, it's a coincidence. I didn't plan this honestly, but I was sitting there. I kind of realized that. But anyway, so we're here to launch the second song of Dishum called To Dishum. And I have with me a very, very special man, Swag Mera Desi, the one and only Raftaar!
देख दम तेरे भाई में, वरुण और रफ्तार आज मिटी भाई में. So how did you like the trailer? कैसा लगा? I know the girls are diehard fans of Varun. जब से मैंने tweet डाला कि I'm going with Varun to do promotions, Mrs. Varun Dhawan, Varun का प्यार, Varun की lover have tweeted insane amounts of retweets for me. Okay, bro, I am jealous. But okay, anyhow, did you like the trailer? Okay, is there anything that makes you go To Dishum? To Dishum means किसी लड़की को छेड़ा.
To Dishum.
मेरे इंडिया को बुरा कहा.
To Dishum.
जब मैं गन पे ना खड़ा हुआ.
To Dishum.
So is there anything that makes you all go Dishum?
Anything.
अरे नारी शक्ति जागो.
Anything that bothers you guys, anything that upsets you.
पढ़ाई नहीं किया तो Dishum. This is the first coming from a student.
आप टीचर तो नहीं हो? Anything else, guys? Anything from this side? मेरे भाई से पंगा
ये
लिया
तो गाने में भी है.
ये तो
सुना है भाई ने सुना है.
अटेंडेंस नहीं दिया तो ये आप किसको बोल रहे हो?
अपन कॉलेज में कहते थे प्रॉक्सी नहीं लगाया तो Dishum.
करेक्ट. बंक नहीं किया तो
Dishum.
Okay, so I think since we have Raftaar over here, it's a big honor even for me, because usually when we launch songs, actors never have the singers over there. हम लोग आके lip sync कर लेते हैं, we look cool and all. But just so that everyone knows over here, and I know Mithibai is a very creative college. You'll find very creative ways of bunking college. So that's why I think it's a big honor that Raftaar will actually sing a few lines of the song, and there's a special rap which is not in the video, which he's going to do for you guys as well, which is very difficult.
ऐसे फंसा देते मेरे को. Okay, but before I know, everybody is waiting for me to do the Swag Mera Desi free thing, right? Are you ready? Anybody who can do the free fast verse of Swag Mera Desi with me? Anybody?
Any rapper over here?
Any rapper? There must be यार.
Anyone who sings? कोई आपका
बहुत
दोस्त
है. मिठी भाई no rapper, can't believe.
कोई आपका दोस्त है? Push him on stage.
Push him, bro. मेरा भाई किससे कम है? मेरे भाई में भी दम है. Okay, I'll give you a cue. तेरी बड़ी तेरी तुम्हें मेरा साला और पूरी निया में बड़ा फैला मेरा चलो और फोटो में चढ़ाओ तेरी फूल वाली माला भी कर चलो बेटा यार मेरा नहीं तोड़ा भाई तेरा इंडिया में रैप कर हिंदी वाला तो मेरा बस एमिनेम रैप गॉड है So there was this fast verse that we did for Dishum as well, which is not a part of the video, but it's in the song. It's in the song.
It's in the whole song as well.
So we do the song first.
We do the song first.
Yeah, let's do that.
Should we do it with the sound behind?
Yeah, let's do it with the sound.
Okay. Do you have the track? गाना सुन के ना मजा आया. No, honestly, thank you guys. This is very special, and thank you Raftaar for taking out time.
माशाल्लाह भाई भी पूरा दिन बचा है कितना थैंक यू करेंगे. But he's a very humble guy. I'll let you know. I was at my place and he called me up. So I was like, भाई मैं वरुण बोल रहा हूँ, and I couldn't believe. See, at the end of the day, I'm a rapper. ठीक है अपनी इज्जत है पर actors are on a different level in India. You all know that. So, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands up for Varun!
Okay guys, so before we leave, because we got to go and hit up a lot of radio stations where we're going to do this, but something that I always say I didn't say in the beginning, that, and I genuinely mean this, from Main Tera Hero onwards, every film I've come first to promote, it's been in Mithi Bhai. You guys have been honestly very, very lucky to me. It's very close to my heart. So please go watch Dishum on July 29th. We've got some cool t-shirts for you guys. Even I don't have them as yet. And thank you to all
Neither do I. Hogan, make noise!
Hey, take a picture with me and Raftaar. Should me and Raftaar come down there?
Should we?
Should we come down there? Should we?
Okay.
Guys, make some noise!
Make some
Thank you guys, thank you everyone. Thank you everyone out there as well. Okay, let's go. Thank you guys, thank you so much.
Thank you, Vidya. Thank you.
Thank you guys, we love you.
Just clear the guys.
Guys, clear this way. One second.
बहुत सारे लोग बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हैं सोशल मीडिया पे, इट्स ट्रेंडिंग, एंड हाउ द सॉन्ग इज जाने मन आहा, तो उसके लिए आहा कह देते हैं यहाँ पे द वन एंड ओनली परिणीति चोपड़ा एंड वरुण धवन को। तालियां, कम ऑन, मेक सम नॉइज गाइस। थैंक यू सर। There they come. Welcome Varun, welcome Pariniti. First of all, क्या बोलना चाहेंगे? इतना सारा एक्साइटमेंट है यहाँ पे सबके अंदर, and before we play the song, your thoughts.
मैं बस बहुत ट्रैफिक थी यहाँ पे आते वक्त, तो मैं बस परिणीति को फोन करके ही बोल रहा था कि जाने मन आ।
मैं भी आ रही थी अपने जाने मन के पास, बट मुझे 40 मिनट लग गए। आई एम वेरी सॉरी फॉर द डिले, आई अपोलोजाइज, बट we'll make it up. We'll show you a good song and we'll make it up.
आई थिंक ये बहुत स्पेशल सॉन्ग है मेरे लिए और परिणीति के लिए। फर्स्ट टाइम वी आर पेयरिंग टुगेदर एंड इट्स प्रॉब्ली द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट सॉन्ग फ्रॉम डिशुम। ये जुनैद के लव ट्रैक को कंप्लीट करता है। व्हेन यू वॉच द फिल्म आपको उसके बारे में ज़्यादा पता चलेगा, बट जस्ट वांट टू टेल परिणीति थैंक यू फॉर डूइंग दिस for us and
stop being
embarrass her on this
formal,
stage.
No. I'm very excited because I've never done anything like this before. Just to be a heroine, it was fun, and so you're technically my first hero.
अर्जुन कपूर खुश नहीं हो गए सुन के, पर
and Ranveer Singh.
I hope you're hearing. No, but thank you for doing this, and I think we won't talk much. You all should see the song, and we are also watching it with you all actually for the first time. And I just want to tell you कि ये प्योर डांसिंग है जो पहले होता था। आजकल के टाइम इतना वो हमारा इंडियन टाइप का डांसिंग नहीं होता है, सो बहुत हिप हॉप करते हैं। आई हैव बीन डूइंग सो मच हिप हॉप, दिस फुल हिंदी फिल्म डांसिंग आफ्टर अ व्हाइल, तो वी होप दैट सब लोग नाचेंगे गाने देख के। तो let's play the song.
Cool. Let's have the song, ladies and gentlemen, and then we have a dhamaka for you, a surprise for you after this, once we are done with watching the song. Varun, just one question and to both of you.
Yeah, they're coming. The thing, नहीं मैं पहले बोलना चाहती हूँ, जब भी मैं कोई वरुण के साथ इवेंट करती हूँ या कुछ भी करती हूँ, कुछ भी हो सकता है, तो रुको गाइस, no. Stupid.
हिट है गाना? नहीं लगा ना कि ईद अभी खत्म हुआ है, तो होना चाहिए ना कुछ धमाल अभी। No, but thank you. I think lot of credit goes to परिणीति, क्योंकि इस गाने के लिए हमें genuinely सिर्फ 2 दिन मिले थे रिहर्सल के लिए, and there's a one take in this song जो परिणीति actually live करना चाहती थी for some reason, और मैंने बोला कि नहीं उसमें गलती हो जाएगी, हम लोग expose हो जाएंगे। That full thing is a one take that we did, and we got literally I think a day. Actually we learned it in a day.
Yeah, we learned it in a day. In fact, हमने बहुत एंथू कटलेट्स की तरह रिहर्सल की वीडियोस निकाली हैं जो हम रिलीज करेंगे। वो मेरे फोन में है, तो मैं उसको रिलीज करूंगी आप लोगों को प्रूव करने के लिए कि हम लोग कर सकते हैं, हम एक्सपोज नहीं होते। बट genuinely, I don't think I've ever had so much fun shooting something. मैंने अपनी बॉडी पे बहुत काम किया, आज मेरे पास एब्स हैं वरुण की वजह से। So I'm very happy. Obviously आप सब जानते हैं, I've been working on myself for a really long time, and I wanted to show it on the right platform. So when VD spoke to me about this song, it was the perfect platform, and I wanted to work with him, and you know, I'm so glad everything just came together, and it was a great song, and we had so much fun. And he was giving me fitness tips and what to eat the night before, and what to eat during the shoot, and what to eat before a take. So now I've also learned how to give a body shot like all these boys, and thankfully it's showing.
It's totally showing. I think we'll leave it to you all to ask some questions. We are obviously very happy right now. 2 साल में हो जाएंगे तेरे बच्चे मेरे बच्चे.
Okay, fine.
नहीं, क्योंकि पहले शादी होगी, 1 साल हनीमून करेंगे, फिर
Plan set, it's very technical.
टेक्निकल है, हाँ. Family planning.
Hi Varun, this is Urvi, you're from Pinkvilla.
Hi Urvi, what's up? How's it going?
Good.
Arya, brother.
Yeah. Hi. The song is stunning and you guys look absolutely amazing. Was there a conscious thing to recreate something kind of a Govinda Karishma kind of a chemistry?
I think I'm going to let Pariniti answer this.
Yeah. We'll be very honest. Yes, that was really like, that's what we wanted to do. You know, he's very energetic. I have a lot of energy, not as much as him, of course. But I think for him and I to do something in this space seemed to be the best idea. And also Dishum already has a couple of songs which are, you know, so different in their vibe. So, you know, the third song had to be different and had to be, you know, us, I think. I think we both were a perfect fit for this world. And of course, Ahmed sir, you know, wanted the performance and, you know, the expressions which of course we used to see in the 90s. So yeah, we tried. I don't know if we're going to be killed for it, but we tried our best.
It's got a little bit of that 90s ka wo theme hai, wo dhak 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 dhak. That beat is like that. And I think Pariniti, me, I think a lot of you all, we've all grown up on it. हम लोग सब ने सुना है. तो वो पसंद बहुत आता है, वो मतलब मेरे तो खून में है, तो आई थिंक वो सुनते ही मैं अपने आप हिलने लगता हूँ हमेशा.
या इसको सेट पे कंट्रोल करना पड़ता था क्योंकि मिस्टर वरुण धवन को इम्प्रोवाइजेशंस बहुत पसंद है. एंड मैं सोचती थी कि मैं स्पॉन्टेनियस एक्टर हूँ.
What was the improvisation on set? Tell them.
You should tell them.
You tell them. What happened to you?
You just were like dying to.
Oh, was that? There's एक छोटी improvisation है इसमें, क्योंकि
छोटी नहीं है, छोटी इसके हिसाब से.
Kiss is a peck. I mean, it's not a kiss, so.
Yeah, no, 1 second. I will tell you the story. Please understand.
गाना में बोला है कि 2 साल में हो गए तेरे बच्चे मेरे बच्चे.
No. मैं सच बताना चाहती हूँ सबको कि हम लोग 2 दिन हमने रिहर्सल की. हमें लगा, you know, full on डांस नंबर है, बहुत मेहनत करनी चाहिए. अब हम सेट पर हैं. मैं वैसे ही बहुत स्ट्रेस्ड हूँ क्योंकि मेरे बॉडी शॉट्स चल रहे हैं. मैंने बहुत कम खाना खाया हुआ था, मैंने पानी नहीं पिया हुआ था. एंड सडनली यहाँ से आवाज आती है कि हम लोग किस करें क्या. I was like, what? नहीं, कहाँ से, क्यों? एंड रोहित was not on set. रोहित जैसे ही सेट से निकला, वीडी को ये ब्रेन वेव आया कि मैं आज परिणीति को किस करूं. तो पहले 1-2 टेक्स हमने ट्राई किया कि हम लोग थोड़ा फेक करते हैं, यू नो, हम लोग ऑफ कैमरा चले जाएंगे, ऐसा कुछ हमने. ये मेरे
परिणीति ने बोला कि यू कांट डू ऑल दिस इन टुडेज डे एंड एज. इफ यू वांट टू किस देन किस मी फुल ऑन. अभी मैं क्या
I was dying to kiss.
भोला लड़का, अभी ऐसे कोई बोलेगा तो
नहीं, तो मैं आप लोगों को बताना चाहती हूँ कि सब लोग, इंक्लूडिंग जो हमारे कोरियोग्राफर थे, वो शॉक्ड थे पहले टेक के बाद, क्योंकि उनको पता ही नहीं था हम लोग ये करने वाले. सो वी हैड लाइक दिस फुल स्टेप एंड एक 1 शॉट चल रहा था, ब्यूटीफुल रोमांटिक मोमेंट, एंड एट द एंड देयर वाज सडनली अ किस. सो आई थिंक इवन द डांसर्स, अहमद सर, एवरीबडी वाज इन शॉक कि ये क्या हुआ. एंड आई हैड टू मेक इट वेरी क्लियर दैट इट वाज हिज आइडिया एंड नॉट माय आइडिया. Vidi, what is the reason that you wanted to kiss me? Please tell everybody.
Said in my ear that Varun, this song is, you know, it's a baby making song.
Yeah, एक तो कल Twitter से मुझे पता चला कि there's so much kissing in this song. Suddenly, I'm biting your ear.
But yeah, you've done all this, Pariniti.
I was dying to.
Anyway. Sorry, you all can. Sorry, आप पूछ रहे थे सर.
किसका मतलब इतना क्रिएटिव आइडिया भी हो गया और आपका काम भी हो गया. वरुण क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस बारे में?
काम भी हो गया मतलब.
What do you say about this, you know? Just joking. I hope you take it on a lighter note.
No, I'm taking it. See, there was a
What
beat.
will you take? I have taken it.
Of course you have to.
There was that dhadadan. तो मेरे को लगा वो पहले dhadadan पे ऐसा होगा dhadadan and then dhadadan. ऐसा.
नहीं हमने.
नहीं हुआ.
करेंगे बाद में.
No, करेंगे. So आप ये सोचो कि मैं भोली बच्ची, मैंने कहा ढडन, ये पोज होगा एंड में. बट ढडन में क्या कुछ हो गया है, मतलब मैं क्या कहूँ अभी. बट आई थिंक इट वाज रियली कूल. आई आल्सो अग्रीड विद द आइडिया. सो
Creative idea.
It takes two.
Sorry,
It takes
Sorry,
two.
ma'am.
Hi Varun, hi Pariniti. I'm Astha from Movified. First of all, both of you are looking absolutely gorgeous.
Thank you so much. Thank
My
you.
question is for you, Pariniti. Now, so many girls are looking up to you, and there are so many women out there who are conscious of themselves and they are unable to express of themselves because they are, worried about how they're going to look. So, what's your message to the women who want to, do something but they are conscious of their, physical image?
Actually, I've been asked this question so much in the last 1.5 years because, and not only like people like you, but like people, women who are pregnant or they're dealing with post-pregnancy weight or teenagers who are dealing with obesity. All around the world, people, they come up to me and, tell me to tell them my story, and I always tell them this, that I literally am a fat to fit story. I literally am in the most cliched sense, and I've really struggled with my weight all my life. All these guys, they call themselves chubby. I was never chubby. I was really, really big, and I was obese and unhealthy. And I really took it upon myself, and I'm so glad that, some kind of pressure of Bollywood was there for me to really bring myself onto the right path. The amount of stamina, the amount of energy that I have today, I sleep so well, I eat so well. I mean, the fact that I could do this song for 2 days with hardly any food in me, it was because I was really fit. And it's so important for people like this to understand that they just need to be their fittest self. It doesn't matter what size they are. I was big, but I was unfit. I didn't care about my body shape as much as what it was making me feel. So they really need to achieve their fittest self at whatever size they are. Like you see these hip-hop dancers in New York. They're so big, but they're so, flexible and agile, and they're so fit. So they just need to go and they just need to look at my pictures, I guess. Just put them on the wall and just be like, if she can do it, we can do it. I did that. I did that.
We did this event, fitness event with the female journalists and the media was there. And I mean, I look at y'all and I honestly mean this, because y'all are always in the photographers, the cameramen, even the journalists. Sometimes y'all are always hunching and bending in very wrong positions. Y'all should not, the body is not supposed to be like that for long hours. And a lot of y'all have been in this business for a lot of years. And I say this with a lot of love and concern because I've seen my father. So I've seen a lot of y'all with my father's time, कि बहुत लोग मेरे dad को follow करते थे, question पूछते थे. It's not very healthy, I think, the way we conducted. I wish that when we plan events, that we can have more safety and more better barricading for the media, so that there's a section. Because like today also, I think a cameraman गिर गया था ना? He fell down. So I mean, I feel bad because it's dangerous. I just feel now moving ahead as someone who is a young actor, I want to get this in my events that we can get more safety for you guys at least, because it's unfair, I think, otherwise.
Yeah, people actually just think that we starve ourselves and we become thin, but literally all of us, like me, VD, or even, Sid, Ranveer, everybody, the boys and the girls now, Alia, Shraddha, like we take care of fitness more than that. And when you take care of your fitness, your body is going to show results. Like I got a lot of this that, oh, you just stopped eating and of course anybody is going to become thin out of starvation, but it took me 1.5 years to reach here.
I think you all should follow RJ Alok because he's the smartest in events. आप भी गिरे?
John,
wow.
This is me in your event, gym event.
क्योंकि मैं हमेशा he is always around, मैं जब भी कुछ भीड़ भाड़ होता है he is always walking. आराम से चलो, हाँ आराम से, बच्चे लोग के साथ आराम से इधर आ जाओ. He always fell down. Sorry.
Hi, this is Sohail from Glad
What's up?
Champ.
Hi, sir.
The song seems very superb. In fact, like congratulations to both of y'all.
Thank you so much.
जानेमन की बात कर रहे हैं, तो it is like to both of y'all कि अगर आप अपने जानेमन में क्या qualities देखना चाहोगे?
जानेमन में मैं क्या qualities देखूँगा? I think परिणीति बहुत ऐसे qualities possess करती है, बहुत अच्छी बच्ची है, रात को जल्दी सो जाती है, सुबह जल्दी उठती है, बहुत ज़्यादा fit है. नहीं ये सब सच है, बहुत ज़्यादा फिट है, बहुत ज़्यादा काम करती है और मुझे खाना भी खिलाती है.
हाँ नहीं, इन 2 दिनों
मेरा
में
खाना
नहीं
खाती
खिलाया. इन 2 दिनों में तो मैंने
मेरा खाना खाती है, मेरा शहद खाती, मेरा हनी खाती है.
You came and ate all my dry fruits.
So we share food. I think right now मैं परिणीति चोपड़ा का नाम लूँगा.
Oh,
And Pari, what about you?
Actually, quite similar. I just need very real, simple, uncomplicated people, which VD is. VD is currently my Janeman. Alok is the second candidate. So yeah, no, just real, simple, uncomplicated, honest people. That's my scene.
And was this song originally in the film or it was added later on? What
This
was
song was always supposed to be in the film. This song was always a part of the film. There was always a character which I don't want to reveal now, but obviously she's doing a cameo in the film, and there's a character and why she's there, which I don't want to reveal right now. So it was always written in the script. We obviously had not approached Pariniti. We didn't know she'll do it or no. And Rohit always wanted Pariniti, but we were worried she might not do it. And I think one day I met her at some, at Filmfare at a party, and I just told her that this is happening, like, and she said, so ask me. So I said, you'll never do it. Why should I ask you? She's saying, how do you know until you don't ask me? So I mean, I asked her then, and
He asked me and I said yes.
Yes, it was a proposal.
It was a proposal.
हाय वरुण, जब से प्रमोशन चल रहा है आलोक आपके,
हाँ अरे सर,
जब से प्रमोशन चल रहा है आपके फैंस आपको टास्क देते हैं, आप वो टास्क जरूर
हाँ जी,
करने की
हाँ
कोशिश
जी,
करते हैं. पिछले दिनों आपने जॉन को उठाया, फिर वो जैकलीन की स्टाइल में आपने
हाँ.
एंट्री भी की. आपके फैन ने बोला है कि गोविंदा की तरह अगर आप कोई स्टेप इस पर्टिकुलर गाने पे अगर करके दिखाएं. कल के दिन एक ट्वीट भी था, मैंने उसको देखा.
अच्छा, चिची भैया की तरह कुछ करना है तो मैं एक्सप्रेशन कर लेता हूँ आपके लिए उनका, जो एक बहुत मतलब वो गानों में ऐसा करते थे, अगर आप करते.
बट ये आपको इसको बोलने की जरूरत नहीं, ये करता रहता है. इसको थोड़ा काम डाउन करना पड़ता है.
आई एम अ बिग फैन ऑफ गोविंदा सर, एंड आई थिंक ये जो जिस तरीके का गाना है, जिस तरह का टोन है, इट रिमाइंड्स पीपल ऑफ दैट एरा लिटिल बिट, व्हिच इज गुड बिकॉज दिस इज व्हाट वी वांटेड. ये जो जुनैद है वो थोड़े बहुत लोगों का फैन है, जैसे हनी सिंह का फैन है, गोविंदा का फैन है, मिक्का सिंह का भी फैन है, तो वो पिक्चर में भी है, वो आपको पता चलेगा.
परिणीति, एक और गीत है इस फिल्म का, कुछ भी किया तो डिशुम, ये किया तो डिशुम. कोई पर्टिकुलर ऐसी बात है या चीज है जिसको आप डिशुम कहना चाहें अपनी तरफ से?
झूठ बोले तो डिशुम. मेरे को मतलब
आपसे किसने झूठ बोला है?
अब क्या बताऊं तुम्हें. अब क्या बताऊं. या झूठ. For me, lying is the.
Who lies the most, boys or girls, or who's?
No, I'm not a sexist like this.
Okay,
There's just, but yeah, in my life, I feel boys only are managing to lie quite a bit.
Ooh, okay, not me.
This is the end
Anyway.
of my
Any
love
other
story
questions, guys?
information.
Hi, Pariniti.
बालिका वधू.
ये गाना देखा है यहाँ पे.
हाँ जी.
So were you happy with each other's chemistry?
I think we are seeming very happy. I think
We are very excited.
We should
We
wait.
should calm down.
We should
maybe.
wait. It's the song is going to go live at 2 o'clock. What's the time right now? 2 बज गए.
1:52. 8 minutes to go, bro.
8 minutes to go, and it's going to go live on YouTube then, and I think then we'll get a little idea. And we have Vinod sir here from T-Series. So I think because he's here, I think I remembered. Aman is here who sung the song. So can I just invite him on stage?
Woo! Come
He's
on.
the voice of the song. It's a very difficult song to sing, हाँ, क्योंकि बहुत highs और lows है इस गाने में. And I've been trying to do this quite often, that get the singers of the songs over there and make them sing to show people at least, or show the journalists that how difficult it is. So he's liked Pariniti a lot in the song. He's not talking to me. No, but
We have
Aman, if you
found a
can-
family connection.
Oh, you're
just now.
related?
Yeah.
How?
Oh, really?
How are you all related, Aman?
Vidi, you've been removed from the equation.
Hello everyone. First of all, you're looking fantastic, both of you, and गाने को अलग लेवल पे लेके गए. और मधु जी जो कि प्रियंका मैम की मॉम है, और सिद्धार्थ उनके भाई, तो we are all very good family friends. So we were talking about your weight loss and your gorgeousness.
That's all people say. There's nothing else now left. Pariniti.
Forgotten you're an actor.
Huh?
They just feel you've lost weight now.
Yeah, they just feel you've lost weight and that's all there is to you.
No, there's
But,
lots more.
yeah, but
Aman, you can just, if you can sing a couple of lines for
Sure,
I think the
sure.
media, so they realize how difficult the highs and lows are. of
Sure,
the song.
sure. I want to share a very interesting story जो मुझे brief दिया गया था.
Please, sir.
प्रीतम दा का. उन्होंने कहा था, अमन ये गाना जो है जाने मन आह, बहुत emphasis है उस पार्ट पे, और वो एकदम परफेक्ट आना चाहिए. अगर वो नहीं आया तो गाने की जो पूरी सोल है वो बिगड़ जाएगी. बोले एकदम शक्ति कपूर को याद कर लो. जाने मन आह, गले लग जा, जाने मन आह. तो मैं बहुत ज्यादा कर रहा था. मैंने कहा नहीं, इतना नहीं यार, फिर शक्ति जी को लाना पड़ेगा गाने में. So that was
ये
really
मेरा ब्रीफ नहीं था, श्रद्धा.
So
But you did a fag job. बहुत
thanks a
मजा
lot.
आया हमको
Thank you.
डांस करते हुए.
Thank you. Been a
On
pleasure.
set also, like we were singing the song a lot, and really बहुत मजा आया. And I love.
Thank you, Aman.
My
Thank you
pleasure,
so
my
much.
pleasure, bro.
Thank you so
Can I have a selfie with you?
Yeah, sure.
Both of you.
We'll take it
Okay,
downstairs.
okay, okay.
No problem. Sorry.
Achha, I
Alright,
have one
we'll
last
just
question,
take-
Varun
yeah,
and Pariniti.
two questions.
You know, Janemana, was this a teaser to expect something more out of the both of y'all? Maybe Janemana movie?
I think it's too early to talk about that right now, Avya. But obviously, I would love to work with her, and I'm guessing she'd like to work with me.
True. I would
We've
love
actually
to work
done
with you
9
too.
ads together.
Yeah, that's true.
The first ad I ever did, not the first, but I think we both did this
Yeah,
campaign
similar.
called WeChat together, where we did 9 ads together, and we never got cast in a film. And now again, we've done a song together, a very special one.
Yeah, we're just
And
trying to get cast. I think we're just
hopefully,
trying to.
some director will pick us up, and we will be working together soon.
Pariniti?
One last question we'll take.
Pariniti, on your left. Yeah.
Yes,
Hi. Great to see you back. Did you miss? Yeah, after 1.5 years.
I was just in the gym. I was nowhere else.
So did you miss seeing yourself on a big screen?
Yeah, of course. I mean, the way I entered the industry, you know, I did like 4 films back to back, and obviously I was, like you said, very used to seeing myself. But you know, the kind of person I am, you know, I'm really not as filmy as all these guys are. You know, I come from a very different discipline, and I've lived my life in a very different way. So I myself needed that. Even that emotional break, you know, a little bit. I know it sounds stupid because I'm so new that I needed a break, but I really did. You know, I needed to just kind of settle down
You felt
mentally.
like burnt out, kind of?
Yeah,
With the
I
amount,
don't
like,
know. Yeah,
work?
strangely I did, because it's such a different world for me. You know, I come from the world of banking and academics, and for me to just be in front of cameras all the time and, you know, have pressure and just answer, like even answer your questions. I was always happy, but inside I was always like, you know, I needed to just sort some things out. Which I feel now, like now the kind of dedication and now the kind of concentration I have on my work is only because of this break. And of course I wanted to work on my body. Yeah, I was like 27 years old. I couldn't wear a pair of shorts. So I really wanted to wear better clothes and, you know, not worry about anything. So yeah, this 1 year break was really amazing. Like it's the best thing that has happened to me. And now like when I work, it's just so beautiful. Like
You can wear shorts now.
I can wear shorts, I can wear sleeveless.
I love wearing shorts.
Well, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. It's time for a
Thank
quick
you.
photo op over here.
अरे कौन है मनोज यार? ए नेपाल टाइम, अरे इधर मारो उसको सर। आपके वरुण वरुण परी को आगे बिठाओ ना। हाँ परी को मैंने खाली परी थोड़ा ये साइड में आइए। तुम्हारे एक शॉट जान परी
थोड़े आगे हो जाइए।
और थोड़ा पीछे
एक 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Where is Rashna? What do we do? I don't know. Yeah, we just need to take. How do we do it? अब वो एक सेकंड होल्ड करना होल्ड करना थोड़ा
मॅम इकडे
मॅम समोर एकदम
I can't do much.
मैम समोर एकदम
Thank you, Dada. Thank you guys. What has happened? Actually, you know what, Veshna, how are you?
You're looking very beautiful. पार्टी हो गया अंदर मैम जस्ट होल्डिंग बस चलो गाइस थैंक यू
भैया चलिए
आप ही फ्रेम में आ रही हो।
एग्जैक्टली आप
पीछे जाओ मैडम, सर पीछे जाओ प्लीज। अरे हटो ना यार, ए पिक्चर
प्रियल प्रियल
जैकलिन यार, माधुर जी एक फोटो, माधुर मैम, जैकलिन यार, मैम स्ट्रेट मैम, जैकलिन मैम सामने इधर, मैम हियर, जैकलिन मैम, मैम लुक स्ट्रेट, जैकलिन मैम स्ट्रेट मैम, जस्ट मैम हियर, मैम सामने इधर, जैकलिन हियर, जैकलिन हियर, जैकलिन हियर, जैकलिन हियर, लास्ट कैमरा जैकलिन, थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू, दादा, चलो थैंक्स, चलो इकडे इकडे मॅम इकडे फर्स्ट फ्लोर गाणं स्वप्नील स्वप्नील स्वप्नील
आतमध्ये नाही आला
ओके जैसे कि आपको मालूम है कि इस समय ओके वरुण वेलकम, आपका स्वागत है। जॉन आपका स्वागत है। एज यू नो कि हमारे यहाँ पे परंपरा रही है कि आप लोगों को एंटरटेन करते हैं, लेकिन हम लोग आपको एंटरटेन करने जा रहे हैं। कुछ बोलना चाहिए? बात जोरदार ताली हो चाहिए।
मुझे लगता है कि मैं फीवर का ही आरजे हूँ। मैं ये सेकंड विजिट है मेरा यहाँ पे इस फिल्म के लिए एंड ऑब्वियसली इट फील्स लाइक होम व्हेन आई एम हियर, क्योंकि जॉन के लिए भी, जॉन तो फीवर वॉइस ऑफ चेंज के साथ बहुत पहले से जुड़ा है, आई थिंक सिंस द इंसेप्शन, एंड इनके वजह से मैं भी जुड़ गया हूँ अभी। एंड पांडे जी इज बैक, और लग रहा है कि आपने मंडल में बहुत शॉपिंग किया है और बहुत हैंडसम लग रहे हो आप। जैकेट आपने ज़ारा से खरीदी
अरे बाप रे, तेरे पास भी सेम है क्या? सेम टू सेम। चलो ठीक है यार। ओके जॉन, क्या बोलना चाहेंगे? आपको 104 डिग्री बुखार है, 104 डिग्री?
नहीं 102 103 परफेक्ट डे, हाई फीवर एंड कम टू फीवर एंड नहीं, लेकिन दिस इज होप फॉर मी, और आई हैव ऑलवेज सेड दिस इज माय फेवरेट रेडियो स्टेशन एंड
बनता है यार, हमेशा की तरह आप लोग तो हमारे, इसलिए हम जब पहली बार आप लोग आए थे, याद है आपको, हमने कार्ड दिया था।
करेक्ट
हम लोगों ने क्यों दिया था जानते हो?
क्रू कार्ड।
हाँ, इसीलिए दिया था कि आप आते रहिए, जाते रहिए, कोई रोके नहीं,
कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, ऑल एक्सेस पास मिल जाए।
ओके, तो फीवर 104 एफएम के तमाम लिसनर यहाँ मौजूद है। जैसे कि मालूम है कि डिशम कॉन्टेस्ट चल रहा है, चारों तरफ चर्चा है, चाहे आप हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स पढ़ें, रेडियो स्टेशन में सुने, हर जगह से की चर्चा है कि ये कॉन्टेस्ट में क्या होने वाला है, चैलेंज कैसे मिलने वाला है। तो भाई ऐसा है कि आप लोग हमेशा लोगों को चैलेंज देते हैं कि आइए हमारी फिल्म देखिए, हमारी फिल्म के साथ इन्वॉल्व होइए, लेकिन हमारे लिसनर भी शामिल हो चुके हैं, और करप्शन के साथ आप लोग तो फिर बहुत जम के डिस्कशन कर ही रहे हैं। तो कुछ चैलेंजेस हैं हमारे लिसनर्स द्वारा, तो वो आपको सॉल्व करने हैं। आवाज सुनते हैं हमारे लिसनर की, वो क्या चैलेंज दे रहे हैं, जरा गौर से सुनते हैं। ओके, आइए।
हाय वरुण, दिस इज जय एंड आई एम अ बिगेस्ट फैन, और मैंने आपका जो डिशम का टाइटल सॉन्ग है मैंने देखा, और जो आपके एक्शन सीन जो उसके अंदर जो आपने बेहतरीन किए हुए हैं, और जो आपका जाने मन आ सॉन्ग है उसके अंदर जो आपके एक्सप्रेशन है वो तो किलिंग एक्सप्रेशन दिए आपने परिणति के साथ। और मेरा आपके लिए डिशम टास्क ये है कि आप शांताबाई सॉन्ग पे डांस करेंगे, आपकी शांताबाई रहेगी जैकी। हाय वरुण, दिस इज जय एंड आई एम
ओके
शांताबाई बट शांताबाई जो माझी बाई है वो नहीं आई है।
दूसरी हम खड़ी कर देंगे।
अच्छा तैयार है?
ओके तैयार है, कम आइए, कम ऑन बच्चे। रंगीली रुचि मॉर्निंग शो आप सुनते हैं रोजाना फीवर 104 एफएम पर। छा गई रंगीली रुचि, क्या बात है। ओके, दैट वाज द फर्स्ट चैलेंज। सेकंड
एक्चुअली मेरा वर्कआउट हो गया, वरुण को डांस देखकर मेरा।
हाय गुड मॉर्निंग जॉन, मैं किरण बात कर रहा हूँ। मैं आपका बहुत 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 बड़ा फैन हूँ, और मेरा एक डिशम टास्क है कि आपको जैकलिन की एक चोटी बांधनी चाहिए, और ताकि सब लोग फीवर वाले उसके ऊपर एकदम फिदा हो जाए।
अब ये जैकलिन की चोटी बांधनी है तो जॉन खड़े हुए आप। हमारे ये गरीबों की जैकलिन नहीं है। और हाँ, चोटी बांधिए, लाए जाए, एक क्लिप लाए जाए। और मदिया है, पिक्चर पांडे की प्रोड्यूसर है।
क्या बात है।
कमाल है यार, वेरी गुड। ओके, सबसे छोटी कन्या कौन है हमारे यहाँ पे?
लुक्स गुड।
सबसे छोटे गाना बढ़िया इधर आओ, तुम ही आ जाओ। अरे ये
लुकिंग गुड, लुकिंग वेरी
ओके
गुड।
सर, आपके डोले पर ये एक मिनट खड़े होइए। ओके सर, ये लटकना चाहती सर अगर ये तो मैं लटकूंगा, समझ लो आप सर हो ना। हाँ डोले ये रास्ता निकालो, यस कम ऑन, बढ़िया कम ऑन, लटक जाओ, यही मौका है, कम ऑन वेरी गुड, क्या बात।
अरे he's got fever guys।
क्या हुआ, हम भी फीवर में हैं, टेंशन मत ले, सब लोग फीवर के लोग हैं यहाँ पे। एनीवे जॉन, वाकई यार अपने पिक्चर पांडे को आपने अपने कंधों पे ले लिया। ओके नेक्स्ट।
हाय जॉन एंड वरुण, मेरा नाम सुनीता जैन है और मैं आप दोनों की बहुत बड़ी फैन हूँ। मुझे जॉन आपकी पर्सनालिटी, आपका जो मर्दानापन है बहुत अच्छा लगता है, और वरुण आपका जो इनोसेंस है, आप जितने मासूम से लगते हैं लेकिन है बहुत शातिर, जो मैं समझती हूँ, वो भी मुझे बहुत पसंद है। तो आप दोनों के लिए मेरा ड्रीम टास्क ये है कि आपको एक सेक्सी और हॉट लड़की को अपनी पीठ पर बिठा के 20 से 25 तक के पुशअप करने हैं। हाय जॉन।
ओके 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 ओके, क्या सेक्सी सी लड़की बोला? ओके ओके,
उसने कहा कि 60-65 किलो की लड़की वरुण के पीठ पे बैठे वो
यस यस 20 से 25 केजी की लड़की क्या?
नहीं कुछ अपने मजे मत हो। ओके जूनी कम है, जूनी आइए। ओके कम ऑन पुशअप, आइए वरुण साहब आइए। अरे कमाल कर दिया मैं आपने तो यार, क्या बात है। वरुण धवन की जोरदार तालियां। चलो फिर थे ना वो लड़की नहीं, हम बैठे थे उसमें। हाँ
मैड्रिड के जो कपड़े आए हैं ये जीन्स का है, ये भी
तेरे पास होगी। बोल,
ये ज़ारा से नहीं?
फिर क्या नकल करते हो यार, ये स्टार लोग है ना।
जूते
नहीं बेटा तुम्हारे पास नहीं हो सकते,
जूते नहीं है मेरे पास, ये तो इटली से है।
इटली से आप पेरिस करो हमारे देखो। एनीवे तो चलिए भाई, चैनल बहुत कमाल का, कैसा रहा चैनल? लगा एक बार ओके, अब लास्ट चैलेंज आप दोनों का।
हाय मेरा नाम विशाल है। हेलो जैकलीन, हेलो वरुण, हेलो जॉन। सीरियसली जैकलीन जी, आपका जो एक्टिंग करने का स्टाइल है एंड आल्सो योर अपीयरेंस इतना क्रिस्टल क्लियर एंड क्लीन है। तो आप तीनों को मैं अपना स्पेशल टास्क दे रहा हूँ, और वो स्पेशल टास्क बहुत ही सिंपल है। आपको पीना है एक वेलकम ड्रिंक सिर्फ 1.5 मिनट में, और वो भी एक स्ट्रॉ के साथ। बस इतना सिंपल है, बस एक छोटा सा ट्विस्ट है, स्ट्रॉ में थोड़े छेद रहेंगे।
ओके
एक्चुअली वो पानी पीना
है, स्ट्रॉ है, लेकिन उसमें छेद है स्ट्रॉ में यार, आपको
के अंदर छेद।
यस, और 1.5 मिनट के अंदर पीना कंप्लीट करना। ओके काउंट करना शुरू करेंगे, आप जो बोलेंगे तब शुरू करेंगे हम लोग।
स्टॉप वॉच
ओके रेडी
1
3 2 1 गो।
क्या आपने चीटिंग की है?
नहीं मैंने चीटिंग किया, वरुण मान दिस।
नहीं चीटिंग की है, इसकी सजा मिलेगी, बरोबर मिलेगी।
एक्चुअली हम पहले बोल दें कि जैकलीन की भी तबीयत बहुत ज्यादा खराब थी।
बेटा तुम लोग तीनों कर क्या रहे थे?
कर रहे ऐसी चीजें जिससे हमारी तबीयत खराब हो रही है। हाँ हम लोग प्रमोट कर रहे थे कल रात के 3 बजे तक कपिल शर्मा के साथ, फिर वो खत्म हुआ और वो बेचारी अभी झलक पे जज भी बनी है, so she's been doing, बहुत पैसा बना रही है तो थक जाते हैं।
ये वाली बात बोल रहा है। ओके तो आई थिंक यार इसको सजा मिलनी चाहिए, चीटिंग की लोगों ने क्या सजा दी जा सकती है? जनता की राय, जनता की राय। डांस
कौन से
Twerking.
ओके कम ऑन
Twerking. It's a twerk challenge.
I know what twerking is, but I don't know how to twerk.
So Glenn will teach her how to twerk. Come. You have to teach John how to.
and जाओ काम कर दो।
अरे he's दो लड़के अकेले प्रमोट करते हैं तो तीसरा लड़का जुट जाता है, आज से प्रमोट हो जाती है। फिर
आप सिर्फ बोलिए एक बार, आवाज कीजिए। हमारे यहाँ पर बहुत अरे हीरोइन की हीरोइन
हम लोग आवाज ही कर रहे हैं, फीवर वॉइस ऑफ चेंज के लिए ही आए हैं हम लोग।
ओके हमारे बहुत सारे लिसनर जो आपसे मिलना चाहते हैं, तो मैं चाहूंगा कि म्यूजिक बजाया जाए और हमारे जितने लिसनर से प्लीज आइए फोटो हो जाए। कम ऑन गाइस, जोरदार तालियां, म्यूजिक आइए
इधर सेंटर से पिक्चर आने वाला है।
आइए सर, प्रोफेशनल क्या बात है। आई थिंक जितने लोग यहाँ पर मौजूद हैं उन सब ने अच्छे अच्छे चैलेंज दिए थे। अब हमारे मीडिया के बहुत सारे दोस्त लोग आए हैं, कुछ पूछना चाहते हैं। चलिए ये जॉन एंड वरुण से क्वेश्चंस को पूछा जाएगा। आइए वरुण से बैठिए। Okay, the first question वरुण के लिए। वरुण, बहुत सारे हमारे मीडिया के दोस्त हैं जो क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहते हैं, लेकिन शुरुआत मैं करता हूँ आपसे।
हाँ जी सर।
कि कैसे करप्शन को डिशूम करेंगे आप? आपको क्या सोल्यूशन नजर आता है?
कैसे करप्शन को डिशूम करूँगा, एक शेर है जो मैंने हाल ही में सुना था, ना हिंदुओं से ना मुसलमानों से मेरे मुल्क को तकलीफ है बेईमानों से। सो इट्स मेनली जो बेईमानी होती है, जो गद्दारी होती है, उसके वजह से तकलीफ होती है लोगों से, और जो करप्शन होती है उसी की वजह से होती है। सो फर्स्ट लोगों के पर्सनैलिटीज़ को क्लीन करना पड़ेगा, लोगों को समझाना पड़ेगा कि अगर आपको सक्सेस चाहिए तो ओवरनाइट नहीं मिलेगा, आपको सही पाथ पे चलना है, थोड़ा परिश्रम करना है, थोड़ी मेहनत करनी है, और आप वहाँ तक फिर भी पहुँच जाएंगे। इट विल बी टफर बट यू स्टिल रीच देयर। सो मेरे हिसाब से इट्स द टीचिंग्स एंड इट्स द अपब्रिंगिंग दैट पेरेंट्स गिव देयर चिल्ड्रन। आई थिंक दैट इज द बेस्ट स्कूलिंग दैट एनीवन कैन हैव, इज हाउ योर पेरेंट्स ब्रिंग यू।
यहाँ आपने देखा होगा हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स में पिक्चर पाने में 11 बजे से लेकर कंटिन्यू ये जो आप कर रहे हैं, हम लोग सब लाइव जा रहा है, सब बातें हो रही हैं। तो वहां पर ये करप्शन के लिए बहुत बड़ा क्वेश्चन था, सारी दुनिया चाहती कि इसको डिशम हो जाए। अगला क्वेश्चन नहीं बता
वरुण, फिल्म में क्रिकेटर किडनैप होते हैं,
हाँ जी,
उसका
सर।
किरदार विराट कोहली से अपीयरेंस मिलता जुलता है। क्या विराट कोहली को ये फिल्म दिखाई, क्या कहना था उसका?
See, this film was scripted around 2 years back.
Yeah.
2 years.
We didn't know whether विराट उस वक्त पे we didn't know whether विराट कोहली या रोहित शर्मा एक बड़ा स्टार होगा। हमारे फिल्म के अंदर उसका नाम विराट शर्मा है।
This is a true fact. और डेफिनेटली हम लोग इंडिया का जो टॉप बैट्समैन है वो दिखाना चाहते थे, एंड मेरे नज़र में विराट, रोहित शर्मा, धोनी, हर प्लेयर टॉप बैट्समैन है, हर क्रिकेटर हमारे लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है। बट पीपल फील दैट जो हमारे क्रिकेटर है विराट शर्मा, साकिब सलीम जो किरदार निभा रहे, ही रिजेंबल्स विराट, एंड विराट इज यूथ आइकॉन टुडे। So it's fine because we are just trying to put the point across कि अगर हमारा जो टॉप बैट्समैन है वो किडनैप होता है, जैसे विराट कोहली और रोहित शर्मा फॉर एग्जांपल, how would the government react? How would the police react? How would the government in which this cricketer was kidnapped, how would they react basically?
तो उन्हें कब फिल्म दिखाया, कुछ बात हुई?
विराट से आई थिंक ही इज इन द कैरिबियन राइट ना, आई थिंक वो क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं, तो उन्हें प्लीज उसके लिए बेस्ट ऑफ लक का होगा, इंडियन टीम को बेस्ट ऑफ लक का होगा उसके लिए। बट आई थिंक एज सून एज ही गेट्स डन, उन्होंने ट्रेलर देखा है एंड ही सेंड मी अ मैसेज आफ्टर दैट, बट आई थिंक जब भी आई थिंक व्हेनेवर ही गेट्स फ्री और आफ्टर ही गेट्स डन, इफ ही वांट्स टू सी दैट शो ही कैन अरेंज दैट।
ओके वरुण, आपसे पूछना चाहूँगा, इससे पहले भी फिल्में आई हैं, आप प्रमोशन करते रहे हैं, नजर आते रहे हैं, लेकिन इस बार मैंने देखा आप बहुत ज़्यादा प्रमोशन कर रहे हैं। जॉन मौजूद हो या जैकलिन हो ना हो, लेकिन आप हर जगह नजर आए। कितना थकाने वाला रहा ये पूरा का पूरा प्रोसेस, और सब बीमार होते जा रहे हैं। जॉन की भी तबीयत खराब है, उन्होंने बताया एक्सीडेंट हो रहा है, जैकलिन की तबीयत खराब है, रात को कपिल शर्मा कर रहे थे, और कितना थकाने वाले रहा, आपसे पूछना चाहूँगा वरुण। और जॉन, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे, इस तरह का प्रमोशन, इतना प्रमोशन की तबीयत खराब हो रही?
हम लोग एक्चुअली बिल्कुल थके नहीं हुए, अगर थके हुए होते तो जॉन यहाँ पे नहीं होता। फीवर के बावजूद आए हैं, तो दैट जस्ट शोज कि ही इज हियर बिकॉज ही लव्स द फिल्म, ही इज हियर बिकॉज, और ये मैं इसे प्रमोशन नहीं कहूँगा। आई थिंक प्रमोशन जब हम लोग ये शब्द यूज करते हैं तो फिल्म को कभी कभी अब्यूज करते हैं। हम लोग यहाँ पे हैं हमारे क्रिएटिविटी या आर्ट को दूसरे लोगों को पहुँचाने, तो वो कैमरा के जरिए, आप लोगों के जरिए पहुँचता है लोगों की तरफ। और मैं कभी नहीं थकता हूँ और मैं थकूंगा भी नहीं। आई होप आप लोग भी नहीं थकोगे, क्योंकि आर्ट है, जो कला है, वो हमें बाहर दिखाना है, लोगों तक पहुँचाना है। सो आई विल डू एनीथिंग। अगर मुझे 4 बजे उठना है, 2 बजे उठना है, मुझे सोना भी नहीं है, मैं करने के लिए तैयार हूँ मेरे पिक्चर के लिए।
आई थिंक इस फिल्म में मुझे ज़्यादा टेंशन नहीं है, क्योंकि मैं फोर्स 2 के लिए शूटिंग कर रहा था, एंड आई न्यू दैट 2 या 3 डांस शोज थे, बट आई नो वरुण डेफिनेटली वहाँ पे मतलब ही कवर्स अप फॉर बोथ ऑफ अस, एंड क्योंकि टीम वर्क में यही खासियत है कि वी बोथ आर अ टीम, एंड जिस तरीके से ये प्रमोट करता है, the way he shows his creativity for this film, I think is absolutely fantastic. बहुत ही energetic है, and इसीलिए मैं थोड़ा आराम से, मैं relaxed भी हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि अगर मैं सो भी जाऊँ तो वरुण करेगा कुछ।
No, but honestly, I don't deserve credit for this. मुझे फीवर नहीं है, मेरी तबीयत खराब नहीं है, इनकी तबीयत खराब है, ये बोल भी नहीं रहे आपको, and genuinely this man is unwell, and he's here. He's come in the morning because इन्होंने कमिटमेंट की थी कि मैं यहाँ पे आऊँगा, मैं तेरे साथ रहूँगा, एंड सुबह में मुझे इनका फ़ोन नहीं लग रहा था, और जैकलिन की भी तबीयत खराब थी, so I was worried that what's going to happen, and I remember at 9:15 John called him, said, where are you? I said, John, are you coming? He's like, I'm ready. He said, I'm ready. He said, come, pick me up, let's go. And he was here, and he is here. So big fever.
जब लोग म्यूजिक को पसंद करने लगते हैं इस लेवल पे, इसका
वो तो फीवर 104 एफएम है, इसलिए म्यूजिक को
See, I think music is one part of it, लेकिन the first look सबसे important वो होता है, और ऑडियंस तभी डिसाइड करती है कि they want to see the film or no, very honestly. और उसके बाद हम लोग जो भी करें, you talk about promotion whatever, if the film is not good, it will not work. If it doesn't connect, it will not work. So main thing is on your opening day.
इनफैक्ट हम लोग बस इसी के बारे में बात कर रहे थे कि आज का दौर भी ऐसा चल रहा है कि जो अच्छी पिक्चर है वो चलती है। द ओपनिंग इज नॉट मैटरिंग कि अगर वो कितने भी नंबर पे खोले पहला दिन, बट सैटरडे अच्छा हो जाता है, संडे अच्छा हो जाता है, मंडे इट कीप्स इंक्रीजिंग। सो इफ यू आर अ गुड फिल्म वो होगा, एंड वी बिलीव कि डिशुम एक अच्छी फिल्म है. इट्स अ फिल्म व्हिच हैज अ ब्रेन एंड अ हार्ट. इसमें एक दो चीज़ है जो लोगों को कुछ सिखाएगी, जैसे देयर इज एन एंगल ऑन मैच फिक्सिंग, देयर इज एन एंगल ऑन बुकीज इन द फिल्म, जिसके बारे में हम लोग ने बताया नहीं. एंड आई टेक दिस वेरी सीरियसली एंड सो डज जॉन. आई थिंक सब लोग, आप, वी आर ऑल क्रिकेट लवर्स. क्रिकेट इज अ रिलीजन इन दिस कंट्री. और कोई भी इंसान जो क्रिकेट का नाम खराब करता है या जो हमारे लिए मजहब है और हमारे मजहब का नाम खराब करता है, हम उसके सामने उसको एक डिशुम तो देंगे ही देंगे. तो ये वही जवाब है टू दीज एंटी सोशल एलिमेंट्स हु आर ट्राइंग टू स्पॉइल द नेम ऑफ क्रिकेट एंड आवर लव्ड क्रिकेटर्स.
एक आखिरी सवाल, फिल्म तो क्रिकेट के इर्द गिर्द घूमती है, आप लोगों का फेवरेट स्पोर्ट्स कौन सा है और कौन से स्पोर्ट्स?
स्पोर्ट्स और स्पोर्ट्समैन.
नहीं, वी लव ऑल द स्पोर्ट्स. हम लोग काफ़ी स्पोर्टी है. ज़्यादातर हम लोग को पानी बहुत पसंद है और शॉर्ट्स में पानी के अंदर जाना बहुत पसंद है.
We are very pro swimming.
We are very pro swimming in this film. लेकिन I think it's a cricket aside, I think this is a fun film. बहुत ही entertaining film है. और जब भी आप अपना काम करके आप घर जाते हो, आप फैमिली को बाहर लेके जाते हो, you want to have a great time, you want to enjoy, and I think this film is a lot of fun.
हाल ही में इंडिया जस्ट वन द डेविस कप, सो जस्ट कांग्रेचुलेशंस टू द इंडियन टीम. और जितने भी इंडियन प्लेयर्स जा रहे हैं ओलंपिक के लिए, just want to congratulate all of them. The tennis team is obviously doing very well. Sania Mirza is, I think, a truly very gifted athlete. So just best of luck to the entire Indian contingency, all the Indian athletes going to the Olympics. Please go there, make us proud. और वहाँ पे if anyone messes with you, me and John will be there to take care of those people. And give them a show.
Thank you guys, thank you.
Vijender Singh is one of them.
Yeah, so I met him in Bombay just before his fight, and उसने मुझे कहा कि मुझे exactly पता है कि गेम को कभी आप करना है, कभी नीचे करना है, कौन से राउंड में मुझे स्लो जाना है, कभी फास्ट जाना है, क्योंकि he had studied Kerry Hope very well. और मुझे लगा कि वो 7th या 8th राउंड में उसको नॉकआउट कर देगा, लेकिन it went all the way और पॉइंट्स में विजेंदर जीता. बट he was clearly the winner, he was a deserving winner. और प्रो बॉक्सिंग के लिए ये it's a big step in India. And we congratulate both Varun and me. We both congratulate Vijender Singh, and he's made India proud.
Thank you guys, thank you. जोरदार तालियां.
Yeah, sir. Vishum pose. Yeah, right man. Sir, सामने. और क्या? बोलो.